Isu, why are you screaming? It's a dream. Only a dream? I can see you don't want to discuss that dream. But whenever you have such frightening dream, pray fervently. Alright? Okay, Grandpa.
Something must kill a man. Something must kill a man.
Gigi. Gigi mo. Ugu venzam.
Yeah, Otangba. We expect yourself this afternoon.
Okay.
Inugo.
Okay. But is Choma? Something must kill a man. Choma, if I should die on top of this your uku, what my hands? Huh? It's heaven straight. Heaven!
Now, hellfire be your portion. Yeah, Otangba. I don't have time for this your rubbish talk this afternoon.
Okay. Choma, wait. Huh? You are threatening me with this your uku venzamoto. That every time I set my eyes on it, I'm asking Kobuzi heart attack, core vibration attack. Oh! I don't know how my body is doing me. I'm asking Kobuzi.
Come and stop that rubbish.
Okay.
See, let me tell you, if it is heart attack, Nyawogi.
Hey!
Thank you. Nyawogi.
I am dead already. Once this uku is involved, let me die. Or Tampa will not die again. I will live long like Methuselah. If I don't die on top of this your uku venza, I will live like Methuselah.
Otampa ne uku venza ne otampa. Hata taki ge buku otampa, okwa makuku venza. Chichi biko bafutare ya, aburu godo fuano, kotampa we putu. Love mo nanya, mwa baka misi, otampa wale ya waya. She be love him, she no love you. Otampa putu bigi. I see na.
Isu, one more. Who is pushing you like this?
Pushing you? No, I was okay, I wasn't watching my way.
No. This is beyond missing your way. Something is chasing you.
No, I'm just hurrying to somewhere. Have you seen Otombo?
Otom, my cousin. Well, I should be the one asking you. Doesn't this relate to the house that you're coming from?
Can't someone ask you a simple question again?
Oh, no, of course you can, and you know it. You can. But it's just that this your question sounds somehow. Huh?
Times.
Here's one name.
Times. You can see it. I know you're going there.
Okay.
So when you get there, just start.
I will. Huh? Hold on, friends, for.
Times, man.
Something must kill a man.
Huh?
Something must kill a man. One more. Something must kill a man.
Chichi biko bafutare ya, aburu godo fuano, kotampa we putu.
I'm so sorry I came late.
Oh baby, you work too hard these days. You work too hard, I'm almost about to start complaining. I only am I. Only I want an actual guy, you're still a young man.
I want to take my Otombo as my wife.
I never see this kind of love. 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 This kind of love.
Chichi pick up a fotaria. Abolo godo fono. Katampa we putu. Love mo nanya. Mwa baka misi. Atamba wale ya waya. She be lover. She know love.
Who governs them?
Ota.
Huh?
I see now.
Huh? Who governs them? This car belongs to me. Oh yes! I own this car! Okay, wait for me. Who owns the car? Huh? Who owns the car? Huh? Who is going to marry you? Huh? Who owns this car? Huh? The one you go? Do you love Otampa? Yes. Let me ask you again. Who is coming to pay a bride price? The last but not the least. Who owns you? Who owns you? Who owns you? I told you I will make it. Now let me tell you. Enter this car, let's go and paint the town. Do what I
Jomali be fair. I sing it, I be follow. People want love more. I dream will not be mine.
My friend, will you get out from this place? Get out!
Was that a dream? Huh? It was a dream. Choma, why did you wake me up? My friend, why did you wake me up?
Don't let to catch you.
Hey! Something must kill a man. Choma, if I should narrate this dream to you, you will beg me to dream with me. You will plead with me to join me in the dream. Hey!
Come on, get out from my shop. Yeah. Time to leave.
Choma, wait.
Okay.
I've been sitting down here waiting for you since morning. What am I waiting for? If not for this, your sweet and anointed uku.
My friend, will you get out?
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Get out.
I'm not asking for too much now. It's just a simple uku.
Come on, get out.
I'm not asking for too much.
Confessio dala. Irataga. One chapadi yoko.
Oh God in heaven, Father Almighty, all these things you showed me in my dream. Father, if I had known I was dreaming, who am I to wake up? I wouldn't have woken. Father, both the car and the money, please make this to materialize in real life so that I can attract Joma, so that I can attract my Uku Venza. Oh God in heaven, please, I want the car, I want the money in real life, not in dream any longer. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen. Udoka. So you've been watching me, huh? I don't like this. I don't like this.
You have got bananas. I love
What is so funny? Huh?
Which money?
Abalamusija, mama.
Which car?
Abalamusija, mama. I don't like this.
Something must kill a man. Uncle Vensta Jama must kill you.
You don't understand. If you're in my shoe, you say the same prayer. Oh yes.
I don't think you are going mad.
You don't understand. I know what I saw.
And I know what I...
Last time you don't shot big one. Action.
No, stop.
Stop it, I saw. You.
What about me?
You know I saw you yesterday.
You saw me yesterday. Where?
Isu.
Eh?
I saw you. Don't even try to lie or pretend.
Tondum, I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't? So what is that grin in your face? Why are you laughing, Neziano? You are laughing because you know you're lying. I saw you staring at me from afar. Oh yes.
God love Israel, Tondum. You're a bad girl. So you saw me and kept quiet. You pretended.
Well, I was cooking.
Eh?
And I did not want to get distracted and have my food get burnt. And then I will land myself into big trouble with my mother. I saw you with my koro eye.
Okay, let me tell you the truth. I was going to see some of my captors when I heard your angelic voice singing. I couldn't move any further but to spy and watch you sing. Tondum, that song elevated my soul and spirit. Anyways,
I missed you too. But let me tell you something. You are no longer a stranger to me. My family knows you. My mother and every other person that matters in my life know you. So don't act like a stranger. Next time you want to come close, come close. Else my mother will just pour you hot yam water thinking you're a stranger. It could happen. And that will just be disaster.
no, God forbid.
Well, yes. God forbid.
Yeah, Tondum. Because I want you to sing that song.
No, that won't be fair. You heard me singing just the other day. Today, you will sing for me.
Huh? You want me to sing?
Sing.
You want to try me, yeah?
My beautiful baby, mega, stainless baby, mega, ukeboibo, aruka kwa mwa, odala micha, ifuku megamo, iga dalili, mwamo fulo bakao, oto baby, mwamo fulo kobe, oto baby, this kind of love,
Something was killing man. Something was killing man.
Just by you.
Why are you coming now?
I want to somewhere before coming.
Something must kill a man. Where is this barrel now? Don't bring the barrel now.
Don't spoil my melody, jealousy. Don't spoil my happiness, jealousy. This one not jealousy. You don't want to step aside, jealousy. no spoil my melody. Jealousy, no spoil my happiness. Jealousy.
Let him walk. After his in-law. My cousin needs that money. Welcome.
He's who come and rest. Rest for what?
My cousin needs that money.
I need more money.
He's working for my cousin. He needs the money.
No spoil my happiness. Jealousy. This one not jealousy. Jealousy. You know want to step aside. Jealousy. No spoil my melody. Jealousy. No spoil my happiness. Jealousy. Jai dokasiye. Wanna brokasiye. Leave me alone. I dokasiye. Wanna brokasiye. Beg you up I can over. This thing where they fight for. Dokasiye. If you kwegi, you gave this thing where they fight for, like I say, if you kwegi, you gave na. Be careful in the choice of the things you choose to do. Like I say, don't judge by appearance, yeah. Don't judge because of the things you see. You don't see what you do to yourself. I'll be forgiving Melawagi. Dakasi, Dada, stop crying. Dada, this one not jealousy. Jealousy, you know want to step aside. Jealousy, no spoil my melody. Jealousy, no spoil my happiness. Jealousy, this one not jealousy.
There.
Jealousy, you know want to step aside. Jealousy.
Now let me ask you, why shouldn't I be tired? Huh? I have been there since morning working, and what I am going home with is 1,500 naira.
Now God, I go punish that supervisor. He's a thief. Fool. We have been working since morning, and all he could do is to short pay me with 3,200.
Something must kill him, man.
He has coined all our money.
See, let me tell you, Otams, look, if you are not ready to walk under the rain, or if you are not ready to walk under the sun, don't expect good harvest.
What do you mean?
Ask him that. Ask him that.
Okay. Supervisor paid me 7,000 naira cash because I worked well. And before coming to that place, I have already worked somewhere and they paid me 5,000. So I have my 12,000 naira cash.
Wait, I didn't hear that. How much did he pay you?
7,000 naira.
Something must kill a man.
I
knew it. I saw this coming. No wonder my cousin Otama loves you so much. She is so glued to you like honey and bee. Hogum. Oggy. Why I like you is because you are always hardworking.
Yes, me. I will never work for that supervisor again. I cannot be working somebody who will be eating my money.
I see hunger calling you. Hunger.
Hogum.
It's not better than working somebody.
Hey, Grandpa. Grandpa, hey, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy.
I go okay. Hey, this is very big. This reminds me of the olden time. Yes. I can see. Me and my mates go for hunting. I catch the biggest grass cutter.
Wow.
And they claim I am the biggest catcher. Oh, very good, very good. You're welcome. It's young man. God will continue to bless you. Huh?
Amen.
You're welcome.
Hey, Grandpa, would you prefer Nkobi or pepper soup?
Whichever way you want to prepare it, you give me the meat to eat. God will continue to bless you. Okay. Hey. God will continue to bless you.
This one not jealousy. You know want to step aside. Jealousy, no spoil my melody. Jealousy, no spoil my happiness. Jealousy, this one not jealousy.
Oh, sorry, my obvious. Chacha, I was expecting you. Why did you come?
Expecting me where? Your house? Don't say that. Not now.
Okay. This one you are making up. A bake in Aga.
Whenever you see me painting my face like this, who else do you think it is I'm trying to make beautiful? Because I'm going to see Izu.
Izu. Hey, Utonwa. Why are you throwing yourself so cheaply at him? Hey.
Listen. Can't mean this again. What does that mean?
I should be asking you. Can you cable every time? Izu. We were together when he said he will come see you when he finishes with his work. So why are you going after him?
Obasagi. He says he will come and see me, and I have decided to go and see him. Oh, Fifa. And it does not concern you at all. Besides, working at the building site is a lot of hard work. It's too stressful now. I can't have him after such a hard day. He will now come here to come and see me. I might as well go to him.
See your mouth. He must be tired. Yes. Are you his strength he's using to walk?
I am his strength, John. I bring him strength, just as he is my strength. And strength comes from the heart. When the heart loves and cares too much, like I care now, that, my friend, is too much love. It's just nothing but too much love and care that strengthens our love. So I am his strength. Happier like that. Remember?
Utonwa, I am sorry for you. Because by the time he finishes using you, he will dump you. And by then, you will come to me. I will laugh at you. Gotcha.
I am the one laughing at you now. You see that laugh that you're expecting to laugh at me, it will never come. You will keep waiting to have that laugh about my love with you. Till a time, Chara, it won't come. And the issue of him dumping me will never arise in my life. Since I started dating this one, it's not even touched me. I am still a virgin. Izu is willing to wait till we are married.
Utonwa, you are a virgin. Biko kota akoko ozo biko.
Stay there. Obviously, gossip some more. Pick out more errors about Izu this, Izu that, Izu Amakunawele. I don't even care. As for me, I am done with my makeup. Now it's time to go and see my love. Also, so look, go on. You want to follow me? Chelsea will hold you more. Okay, you follow me.
How did you know it was me?
No.
Stop it! No, stop! No, don't do it! I don't know what's with you.
You just enjoy carrying the weight as heavy as mine.
Yeah.
Because I'm heavy.
She okay? What's she looking at?
I don't know. Choma.
Okay, why are you shouting my name?
Why would I shout your name? Where was your mind?
Don't bother.
Are you sure she's okay?
This one not jealousy, jealousy. You know want to step aside. Jealousy, no spoil my melody. Jealousy, no spoil my happiness. Jealousy, this one not jealousy.
I remember this. Okay, let's see. Uku sharambara jare mama no my uku na uku pesa. Shake uku, shake we. Murako tombo shake uku. Shake katam, shake uku. Shake we. Pum pum. Uku
Choma, what is it? Ogini.
Where are you taking us to? Eh?
Where am I taking you people to? Okay. I'm taking you people to. I'm taking the love of my life, Otondum, to a local bar so that I can give her.
Local bar.
Jealousy, don't spoil my happiness. Jealousy, this one not jealousy. Jealousy, you know want to step aside. Jealousy.
Izu Modogu. We have been here drinking on your behalf and you've come to remit it.
Bye, bye. Where is the meeting?
He's still there for fire.
Hurry up now. Tell her looking for them now.
That has always been his problem. Always dog.
Yes, so Asamoah, you have killed my wonderful friend with your love.
Hey!
He cares about you before anything else.
How long could I talk?
His hair is always splitting da anytime he sees you.
Abuzi moto.
Izu? There is no need to ask. I'm already seeing it.
Yeah. Chacha. Stop looking at my woman like that. If I will block off your eyes.
Hey! Izu?
Ladies and gentlemen, I've been waiting for this wonderful opportunity to introduce to you my one and only, Odinobi Manala Manazo. Who am I talking about? Chioma, aka Ukuvaza.
Come on, Chioma, are you mad? Something
must kill a man.
Something must kill a man. I don't like it. What did my
Hey! Utonwa, may God forbid that I will have anything with this thing. Unyago, Patalego.
If you can't have anything to do with him, then I think it's time you told me who your boyfriend is. Because I too many boyfriend were malo. And every time you see my brother, you always picking on him.
How do you call love? Thing must kill a man.
How you call love?
That question comes with a bomb. Tell them that you don't love me. Huh? But all you do in this village is waving that your Ukuvenza in front of me. Anytime you see me coming and passing. Now the Ukuvenza has turned to Ukuvenza motor.
Come on, Sukweba.
Huh? Where's she going? No! No! Come back now! Come back! Ukuvenza! Huh? Ukusirambara!
Something must kill a man.
Don't beg a liver.
Chioma! Chioma, come back now!
Don't beg her! The Uku belongs to me.
And you're ready to die for that.
The Uku belongs to me. Either by hook or by crook.
That's my happiness. Jealousy. This one not jealousy. Jealousy. You know want to step aside. Jealousy. No spoil my melody. Jealousy. No spoil my happiness.
Okay. Why do you have to embarrass me like that?
Embarrass? Hi. You walk. Eh? I thought we were friends. Wait till Nobi.
What kind of friendship is that? Someone you call your friend, you keep embarrassing me in public. Don't worry, I will show you my boyfriend in this village and you will be surprised.
You will show me your boyfriend?
Eh.
Hey, Chukwe Loka. I want to see him. Yes, I want to see him. That is the kind of surprises I love. Show me your boyfriend. Or the one is Ezo. At least by the time I know who your boyfriend is, my cousin Otampa can rest for you.
Ha! Don't worry, I will show you my boyfriend. Stop embarrassing me like that.
Wait, Obi.
Don't worry, keep embarrassing me.
I'm not embarrassing you.
You're not my friend again.
Let's run up in and for the joke.
Love Nanya, Baga Missy, Adamba Waloya. She be lover, she no love you.
Choma, so you are like this. So you are like this, Choma. You had the effrontery to walk out on me the other day at the bar. You walked out on me the other day at the bar, Choma. How could you? How could you, Choma?
So you're like this. Are you mad? Be careful though.
Choma, let me tell you. Do you know what it means for someone to publicly announce to everyone his loved one? But I did that because I love you. I love everything in you, and I also love your Uku.
Come on, let me ask.
Instead of you to embrace it, you walked out on me.
Do you have a house? Mba. Do you have money? Mba.
Something must be mad.
Do you have a car? Mba. What do you have? Anofia. It's just to drink, you know. See, let me tell you, there are rich men in this village that should have access to this. Not for hungry people like you.
Joma.
Come on, make sure.
Yes, I appreciate it. Joma, listen. It is true that I don't have a house, I don't have a car, and I'm yet to make money. But at least my father's house is there for both of us. For you and I.
Hey!
It is there for both of us.
Hey, wait.
Huh?
Your father's house. Your father's house. Is it your own? Come on, Susu Poameba. Mafia.
Joma.
I hate you.
Joma.
I'm off here.
Please now.
Go and make money, hungry man.
Can I at least touch your uku?
Come on, get out.
You deny me of loving you. You can't deny me of your uku. Choma, because you are no. Come on now, just coming. Oh, now just come. Come, waka.
Here. You thought it was your mother? Yeah? Have you looked at the weather this morning? Go. Do you know what time it is? If you can by this time.
I'm not going with you. You have to go to the farm.
Asi. Because today, this morning, Kita, you will follow me, my friend, to the farm where we will fetch firewood and come back to the house and do other house chores. You know?
Don't go alone. I want to sleep. Finish sleeping.
You want to sleep? Okay. You sleep. Perhaps by the time I call your mother out here, and she will know that you are still home by this time. Mama Chioma!
Mama, I'm here to see you. I don't like this too. I wish I'm married. My husband will be the one to sweep the house, fetch firewood, wash my clothes, wash my undies. My own is just to make babies for him. I don't want to suffer.
Obvious. So, my friend, while he is making the babies, sweeping the house, doing everything doable, who is breastfeeding the babies?
You are, man.
This one na jealousy. You no want to step aside. Jealousy, no spoil my melody. Jealousy, no spoil my happiness. Jealousy, this one na jealousy. You no want to step aside. Jealousy, no spoil my melody. Jealousy, no spoil my happiness. Jealousy. I go the second, say they go.
Chioma! What are you doing? My friend, stop that rubbish. You think I did not see you? Chioma, you are sleeping. You are sleeping in the farmland. Under this hot sun, you still manage to be getting some sleep. What kind of lazy girl are you?
I'm feeling sleepy. I'm tired.
Sleep away now. Were you not sleeping when I saw you? Continue.
I know one trouble. I know one case here. Chacha, I see me. I dey look for my own thing. You forgot. Okay, Joa. Leave me alone. I know when you're trouble. Carry the gun. I know in your trouble.
One number. One number.
You are too beautiful.
Obvious.
Man.
Obvious.
Hey, you.
Don't want to go less.
Who am I?
Look at my brother now. Come, let's go here.
Also come.
I'm waiting my brother.
Come on, get out.
Come on, get out.
Jim, how are you doing?
Get out. God forbid I marry you.
That is what you guys always say when we beautiful and married. But at the end, you end up getting married to the wrong people. Later, you start shouting, had I known? How's it going, Namma? Hey.
Budonwa, what is your stupid cousin? No? You're here laughing at his stupid jokes. I'm no fear.
Chioma, come go down. He's only joking with you. I know my cousin. He is nothing but a jolly good fellow. Why is your blood too hot? He's certainly not a stupid person. So calm down.
One ball for you.
Aye.
One ball for you.
I am cable.
Do you even know the reason why I like you so much? Because you understand my nature. Look, Listen, let me tell you. If you should marry me today, I will splash all my hard-earned money on this your...
Come on, get out! Look at you. Look at you. You don't have anything.
Gigi Kanamwa. Gigi, are you Elena? Now listen. If my father should die today, I will own everything he has, including all his acres of land. Because I'm his only son.
Yes.
That is true.
Yeah. Just respect yourself. Are you stupid? Are you wishing my uncle your father dead because of a woman? Don't
get me wrong.
Acres of land in Konya.
Don't get me wrong. You should understand my way.
So, we can't but you were here laughing at his stupid jokes. This
one is not
Kita, Okwona about your uncle, and the thing is making you angry. No, laugh at his stupid jokes.
This one is not funny.
Temptation in disguise.
Sure.
Huh?
Hey! Don't look for me, I'll cut your neck.
Check and pull off.
Gee, baby.
Kambuongi kulov.
Gee, baby. Ukumeza. Gee, baby. What up?
Uku sarambara jare mama.
Gee, baby.
How jameshiba? If I should die on top of this soup, no man born of a woman will stop me from entering the heaven's gate. Uku sarambara. How jameshiba?
Hatataki gebuku atamba okwa makuku benza Chichi biko bafutare ya aburu godo fuano katampa webutu
Ma'am, your job is already good.
Yes, Grandpa, I'm trying to get another one.
I've not seen Otonwa for some time now. I hope all is well with her.
Yes, Grandpa, Otonwa is very fine. She came last time, but you weren't around.
Honestly, I know a good girl when I see one. Otonwa is just the dream of any young man who wants to marry. She is well-mannered and mature.
Yes, Grandpa, Otonwa is well-mannered, decent, every man's groom and mature. But I'm scared, Grandpa. No? Remember the last time you saw me sweating furiously?
Yes.
I had a very terrible dream. And it was Otonwa I saw in that.
Anyway, dreams have their own meaning and messages. So you have to pray. Right. Put it in your prayers. Okay? Right. Let me go and stretch my legs.
Take care, Grandpa.
This one na jealousy. You know want to step aside. Jealousy, no spoil my melody. Jealousy.
My heart. My love, my joy. You bring me so much happiness. You complete me. What would my family and I have done without you? You are always there for me, for all of us. You never disappoint. I would marry you in a heartbeat because you bring me completion. I love you. And thank you. Thank you.
Otondom, you are my soulmate. Your happiness gives me inner joy. Tondom, I love you from the deepest part of my heart. And I promise to adore you, cherish you, and love you for the rest of my life. I love you, Tondom.
Hi. What is grass? They want to take away take over this my beautiful flower that I planted in front of my husband to beautify. Mama, what? Putangwa, what is it? What happened to you? It's a nothing. Then why is he carrying your water for you?
Ask him.
Ask him. Izu?
Mama, no need to ask anybody. She knows.
She knows. You people have started again. You got me scared. I thought something has happened to her. Eh?
No, Mama, nothing happened. I'm just helping her.
It's okay. You people are welcome.
I'll be leaving now.
Please help me say me well to your grandfather, eh? Don't worry. What is it? Why are you crying? Okay.
He deserves me back from school because I've not paid my school fees.
Hey! Okay, go. Hey! Chukunna. Hey! 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 Oh! Good. All right. Take care, my son.
I never see this kind of love. This kind of love. I never got you, this kind of love. This kind of love. This kind of love.
Please, take this for Kenna's school fees.
Hey. Hey. Chai. Hey. Oh, don't worry. My son. May the good Lord bless you abundantly.
Thank you.
What would I have done without you?
No, let me run along. Catch your phone.
I don't even know where to begin. I mean, what really have I done to deserve a good man like this one? He is just the greatest. Do you know about Ikena's school fees? The one that my mother could not pay. You know about it now. Guess what? It has been paid. Izu paid it. Oh, not only that, he gave my mother about 30,000 naira to stock her yam business. Hey. A man that not only loves me, but loves my family as if they were his. What more can a girl ask for? This
Put on one. Guinea we Messi. He did this, he did that, he did this. Eh? He's supposed to do it now. It's his duty to take care of you and your family. Eh?
Yeah? Choma, are you mad? What kind of talk is that? Do you realize how you just sounded? A man would do what? Are you his wife?
Hi, pretty ladies. How are you?
Good day. What do you want to buy?
Well, my name is Daniel.
My name is Choma.
Choma. What a nice name. Where are your friend?
Her name is Utonwa.
Utonwa. Or a beautiful name. So, are you from this village?
Yes.
Nice. From which family?
Hey. From which family, Pa? I don't understand. Did you come to buy something or you came to query us?
I mean, no harm, just answer me, please.
Well, I'm not in the mood for question and answers. I'm going to my house. Uto, Bia! Uto! You come and see me. You know the road to my house. Uto! Uto, Nwa! Hey! Don't worry, come and sit down.
It's okay.
No, come close.
It's okay. Sit from this way.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Just calm down. I will help you get her. Yes.
Oya wukwa piano, ogbo paru kwa ya wenawa. Something must kill a man.
Utongwa. I brought your husband to your place.
How are you?
What is the meaning of that? Inakwala.
Daniel is a nice person. He came all the way from the city just to see you. He likes you a lot.
Don't be stupid with me. What do you mean he came all the way from the city to see me? Did I tell you I want to see him? Why did you bring him to my house? Is it... What if this will find out? What if? What is this now?
Biko, you're talking about Izu. Izu does not have anything. See, look, just take a look at this guy.
I am sorry I came unannounced then. I told your friend to take me to your house so that I can see you and your mother. Hope she's around.
She's not around. She's at her shop. If you want to see her, she knows the way she will take you. I'm just inside. He came to see you.
This one na jealousy, jealousy. You no want to step aside, jealousy. No spoil my melody, jealousy. No spoil my happiness, jealousy. This one na jealousy, jealousy. You no want to step aside, jealousy. No spoil my melody, jealousy. No spoil my happiness.
Listen, the market is on fire. Market? You might have go. What of my father's shop? Go. Go. Come on, come. Come on, Oja. Come on, market is on fire. Market is on fire. Oh. Where do I go from here? Don't tell me it's okay. Don't tell me it's okay. What do I do? Where do I go from here? Everything is gone. Don't walk. Everything is gone. Everything is gone. My daughter, everything is gone. Aye. Bad. Oh, Chukwusta, because you know, I can't say this. I can't hear this. I can't take this alone. Oh, Dilome, where they go to, I'm finished.
You, my grandson, you are becoming very unhappy.
Grandpa, my heart is troubled.
You are now becoming a man of your own. I know how much you put in to make sure you succeed. You will succeed, my son. You know, you will succeed. Take it little by little, gradual by gradual, and you'll succeed.
Thank you very much, Grandpa. Have you eaten?
Yes, I have. So let me go and have my usual walk. Huh? Yeah.
Never see and never see this kind of love. This kind of love. This kind of love. This kind of love. This kind of love.
No, I can't. I can't do it. I can't.
I beg you, Mama, just do this for me, bro. Understand me now, because I'm begging you, please.
Izu, is something wrong with your head? I said I will not do it. So stop pressurizing me, okay? I won't. Leave me alone.
I beg in the name of God, if you value our friendship, just help me out, okay? Because just do it for me.
Izu, I value our friendship, and that is the reason why I am doing this. See, listen to me. You have already set out this money to complete your house. So any other reason you are now giving me you want to use this money for, I will never be part of it. I understand you love your girlfriend and you want to help her mother. But for me to let you do this, I will never be part of it. I won't do it. So stop it. There's nothing you tell me that will make me do it. I will not do it. Leave me alone. I won't. Stop telling that. I won't.
Duka, the house you're talking about is still my house. I will complete it, but for now, people, just help me out. I beg you in the name of God.
So listen, I have already told you, I will not give you my own ton of the contribution to collect. If you think you are not going to listen to me, if you will not listen to me, you can ask someone else to give you his own. But for me, read my lips. I won't. There is nothing you can tell me that will make me change my mind. Stop it. Fine, I love you very much. I love you, but I won't do it. No.
Look, I'm begging you, just do this for me. Udoka, please. Udoka.
I've not seen your friend at your stand for some time now. What's the problem with her?
So, you've been spying on her whenever you come to my shop, eh? Well, she's having issues.
Issues? Issues like what?
You don't expect me to tell you everything about my friend. No.
That means you don't care to help her when she needs you. Friends help each other in hard time. That's when their friendship becomes concrete.
Well, it's true, Sha. It's just that fire caught her mother's shop.
Fire?
And they're left with nothing.
Jesus. Fire. How come? It's okay. Will you visit me tomorrow?
Hey! Visit you, kwa. When I'm not your girlfriend.
Put yourself together. People are watching us.
People, kwa.
Now in that case then I will see you at your shop tomorrow. Okay?
What? That's better.
Sorry, I have something like that.
Okay.
I'm gone. This is for your trouble.
Hey, thank you. Handsome Bobo. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Hey, see something. See, you're tired. You're tired. Hey, handsome Bobo. Thank you. Friendship hug. This is friendship hug.
Thank you. Alright. Take care. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Alright, see ya.
This is the type of man I want. Eh?
Yes. I saw it!
You saw what?
I saw the money he gave you.
Which money? Eh?
I saw the money he gave you.
Isn't that your mate? Go and make your own money. In a yada.
Kill a man. Gigi, is that why he gave you money? After you have intimidated him with your uku version, so that he will rest on it thinking it's natural vitaform. Huh? Huh? Uku version?
If you touch me, I will slap you. In a yada. Eh? Go and make your own money. By then you will think of climbing this mountain. Of course, in uku venza. Come and climb. It's yours. Go and make money.
Hey. No. I cannot look at this time around. She's killing me softly.
It's
okay. It's okay. Mama, she's killing me softly. Hey, she's
How is Mama doing?
Mama is just there. She has managed to get some sleep. At least she's sleeping now. But that does not mean she's all right. So, I have never seen my mother this depressed regarding her business. She doesn't even eat anymore. All she does now is just sit and cry her eyes out. I don't know what to do.
But I understand what Mama is passing through. Yes. I've been running around. I've been meeting my friends to see how I can help solve this problem, but
What?
my friends see me as foolish.
Opium. What have you been asking of your friends that make them see you as foolish?
Tondum, I don't want to drag you into any issues.
Opium, no. No. I know how much you love me and how much you love my family. I know the extent you will go to put smiles on our faces. You will spend your last penny if you have to, Izu. I know you. But please, don't kill yourself on this issue. We'll be fine.
Otondum, I love you. I will do whatever I can to make sure I make you happy. So don't worry. I will handle this.
I trust you. Just think. Chama, this is a lot of money.
Yes.
Where did you get it from?
From Daniel. 200,000.
Daniel?
Yes.
But you want with Daniel now?
That tall, fine man that came with that big car. Yes. He said I should give you this money.
Oh. So, why is he giving me money?
See, he has a good heart though. I just told him about your mother's shop. And he gave me all this money to give to you.
You did what?
I told him.
You told him about my mother's bread?
Why?
With whose permission? Did you tell me about it? Do I even know the man? He's nothing but a total stranger, and you go already telling him my life and family history. And now there's money in my hands from a total stranger. Am I supposed to collect this now? Hey, keep it to yourself. I do not have need for it.
Udo, this is big money.
I don't want it.
Utopia?
Udoka, please, eh? Udoka.
What is it?
Udoka, please, oh. I've not asked for a favor like this before. Please do it for me. I beg you, please.
And that is why I want you to think before I take any decision that will destroy our friendship.
It will not destroy our friendship, I promise. Please go. Go.
Go, you are getting me more angry. Stop following me. Just go. Don't discuss this with me again. Go.
This kind of lover I never see. This kind of lover. 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 This kind of lover.
Tondo, where are you coming from?
I went to Chacha's shop.
Okay. Take.
What is this?
Just give it to Mama.
Izu, this is a lot of money. Where did you get it from?
Tondo, don't worry.
No,
Just give
no.
it to Mama.
I will worry. I know you do not have money at hand. I was with you only a while ago. So where did this come from? So, how long will you continually fight for me and my family?
Otondum. Forever. Forever, Otondum.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you. Marry me.
Yes, I told him I would marry you, but I have to prepare myself well. I have to plan for a better tomorrow. I have to fix.
No. Hope you know. The only thing you need to fix is a date. Fix a date and come and take me home as your wife. I want to be your wife. I want to be yours forever. Starting now. Come with me. Come.
I never see this kind of lover. 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 This kind of lover.
Mama! Mama! Ikeda! Mama!
What is it?
Before you can start your business, you take now, Mama.
Izu?
Ma.
You brought this for us.
Hey! Oh! Hey! 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 Hey!
Hey! May the good Lord bless you.
Amen.
For all that you have been doing for this family.
Hey!
It shall be well with you. Everything you lay your hand to do, you will prosper in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Oh! The eyes of the enemy must not see you, my son. It must not see you at all, at all. Hey! God.
This kind of love. 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 Agbadalina honey.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I didn't hear from you.
She refused to take the money. I was looking for you.
Oh, you have to see.
You have money. I'll keep you down. I have something. Okay. It's for you.
Point to please. Yeah, we'll not enter.
This one not jealousy, jealousy. You know want to step aside, jealousy. No spoil my melody, jealousy. No spoil my happiness, jealousy. This one not jealousy, jealousy. You know want to step aside, jealousy. No spoil my melody, jealousy. No spoil my happiness, jealousy.
Who is here? Oh, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my son. Who are you? What can I do for you?
Mama, my name is Daniel. I'm from Ohi, the next village. I'm an international businessman.
Oh, you are welcome. My son, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
What can I do for you?
Nothing much. I heard your shop was open, so I'm here to say sorry. Also to see you.
Yes, my son. You are right. But I'm all over it now. What will I do now? That one is an old story now. All women like me. It's not like that.
It's okay, Mama. I have something for you. Yes. Mama, use this and start up a bigger business for yourself.
Chineke. Hey. 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 But this is too much now. I don't even know you. Hey. Hey.
It's okay, Mama. You will soon know me. Huh? This is just the beginning.
Hey. You need blessings. For me, Hannah. Okay. Hey!
Easy. Udo, my man.
This is why you are smiling and at the same time thinking. I'm not really happy with you. I'm not happy with you.
What happened? Izu,
when you were having problem, I was a road dog. You were running after me, begging me, like fly running after shit. But because you have solved your problem now, you are now doing sneaky. You don't even ask after me anymore or even come to my house. So why?
Doc, I know what you want. You just want another thank you, Abi? Alright, Doc, thanks a lot once more. I really appreciate it. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. You know I'm a very good friend. A very good friend. But another thing that bothers me, you were smiling at the same time you were thinking. I hope it's not money you are thinking about again, or you want to borrow money again from somebody.
No, you can't be thinking about money and be smiling. I'm smiling because of Otonwa. The Otonwa is my better half. Love is beautiful.
I remember when I was in love. That I woke up now. Come.
My son, don't worry, you will be fine. Yeah? Please give him this.
Yeah, so come and drink so that you'll be fine. Drink so that you'll be fine.
It's alright. I'll leave him. We'll check later.
I rushed down immediately I heard. How are you feeling now?
Look, I don't know.
What actually happened?
Yesterday, I worked from morning till night without food. I forgot to eat. So when I wanted to drink water, my whole system changed.
See what I've been talking about? Workaholic. You want to make all the money in one day. So you stress too much. Oh, you'll be fine. Okay. But this is just too serious for one day. I'm surprised. Really. Is Utonwa aware of this? Drink this so that you'll be fine.
Why? What again? Why are you doing this to yourself? Huh? Are you done with it? Yes, Mama. I have something to tell you, my daughter. As you can see, my business is growing well. All thanks to Daniel. That man, that young man is a nice person. May the good Lord bless him for us. I want you to move on with your life. You cannot continue like this. Yes, you cannot. I don't understand you, Mama. Otonwa, Daniel was here yesterday. We discussed you. He said he loves you so much and he wants to marry you. That is good news. Mama, Daniel is a nice person. But the fact... But what? There is no birds here. Look, Otonwa, the earlier the better. The earlier the better. There is no time. You cannot continue like this. You are not helping yourself. You are not even helping me. Eh? Do you want to kill me? Otonwa, help yourself. Like I said, the earlier the better. I am off to the market. And I don't want to come back seeing you like this. What is it? Huh? You want to kill yourself over a mother? You better help yourself. Because of his
never seen this kind of lover. 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 This kind of lover.
So pretty, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I was coming back from the city and I decided to say hi to you before going to my village.
That's very, very nice of you. This is a lot. My mother told me about the ones you bought the other day. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Those things are nothing. I'm happy that we can now talk one-on-one. Yes, that's exactly what you and I should be doing.
Daniel, I am engaged. Did you know that?
Utonwa, engagement and marriage are not the same. Engagement can be broken while marriage is eternal. Just give me the chance to express myself. I want to make you my wife. Please.
I am engaged to a man I love very much. A man I love with my whole heart. The entire villagers can bear me witness that I love Isu. So I frankly think you are wasting your time.
You're even calling your boyfriend's name in my presence. Utonwa, I've been trying to see you all this while. I'm ready to wait for you anytime till when you become my wife. Please, don't turn me down. Please, think about it. I'll talk to you later. Take care.
Doga, what is it?
Did I ask you anything?
Then why are you looking at me like that? There's suspicion in your eyes. If it has to do with the man that just left here with the car, I have nothing to do with him.
Better. Do you know Izu is sick?
I'm just hearing about your health now. Udoka came to the house and told me. Do you... Papa, please, can I make pepper soup for him here? I think it will help him.
You are friends. Whatever you can do for your friend when he is not capable of doing those things you are doing. That's no problem about that.
Thank you, Papa. Okay, I will be right back. Inugo, Udoka, please take care of him. Let me go to my house and bring the things I'll need to make the soup.
This kind of lover, I never see. This kind of lover, this kind of lover, this kind of lover, this kind of lover, this kind of lover.
do you feel now? I'm glad you feel better. My heart skipped a bit when Udoka came to my house and told me you had fallen sick. I don't want you to fall sick. You fall sick. I fall sick too. It's
Udoka.
Choma! How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
See, how much is that one, that milk?
What?
No, the other one. Yeah. No. Turn, the one inside. No, turn like this so that you see what I'm pointing to. No.
Yeah, Udo.
See, I don't think you will have it. There's this California milk. It's a new product in the market.
California milk again, yeah? You're very funny. You're too funny. Now, wow, Udoka. It's been long I saw you, eh? Look at you. Look at Maya eating your money alone up here.
What am I going to do now? But I've invited you to join me to eat the money, but you said no now. You know you're a very, very stingy girl. You're very stingy, no? Only you carry like 3 people's own together. Just share with me, you don't want to. You see, I'm still very strong. I'm vibrant. I can still make more money. I work very hard to make money. Eat it with me, you don't want to.
Okay, no, wow. Well, that's money.
That's true. I didn't go to work yesterday because I was with Izu throughout. Izu was very sick and I have to help him out throughout yesterday.
Izu? Very sick? Eh? And nobody told me. I'm coming, no. My mother will pick
where you got?
I'm coming, no.
I never see this kind of love. This kind of love. This kind of love. This kind of love.
Onye no ye. Nai. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, Nai. Nai Biko, I want to see Izu. I just heard what happened.
Izu is at the back here.
Okay, let me see him.
I go do anything for my lover. I got my melody for Nanyami for Chala. Obima, because let's have Beloma. Love more, because we're Beloma Ngole. Obiotambuna, Mona Gigebi. My joy is that we gonna live together like husband and wife till eternity. Baby, this kind of love, this kind of love, this kind of love, this kind of love, easy.
Izu. Sorry that you fell sick. I just heard when Udoka came to my shop. What are you doing? Stressing yourself, pounding young. You work so much. I wonder what Utonwa is to you and how she will make a good life. How she will make a good life.
I don't need your help.
Okay, don't worry. You know what will happen? I will make you 2 types of soup or 3 different types, okay?
I said, don't worry, I can handle this.
Don't worry.
This kind of lover, this kind of lover, this kind of lover. 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 I never see this kind of lover. This kind of lover. This kind of lover. This kind of lover.
Chichi, baby. Chichi, who confess them? Huh? My beautiful wife.
Matamba,
Huh?
I am warning you. I am not your wife. You know,
Chichi, don't say that. Don't say that. Huh? Don't say that. Because seeing your uku licking his lips with his tongue kept me alive and going.
it is your uku that is licking your lips.
Where is the uku? I don't have any uku. Huh? Yours is licking and kissing when you walk faster. Something must kill a man. Something must kill a man.
You are an idiot.
Huh? Where do you think you're going? Gigi, I know all your secrets. I know you have an eye for Izu. But let me tell you, Okwagoge. Huh? Because Izu has been taken by my lovely cousin Otoma. So therefore, the Izu that you are trying to get is not available at the moment.
You are an idiot.
Try again later.
Let me tell you, I went to see Nai, not Izu.
Something must kill a man. Something must kill a man. So Chichi, it isn't now stone. Huh? It isn't now your age mate that you want to go and see. I have told you time without number. You need men like me. Huh? If I should handle you, huh? If I'm Yakuro, it will just turn like gigantic Otampa. Just come to me.
Why am I even wasting time with you fool like you?
Come to me.
Come on, don't touch me, I'm not fear.
Something
It's
no problem. You can slap me as you like. But let me tell you, I must die on top of this rope. If I leave this world, I must die on top of this rope. Something must kill a man. Slap me, let me die there.
Kind of lover. This kind of lover. This kind of
I didn't. His mom. I saw everything. Why did you allow her to cook for you? Grandpa, I did not allow her to cook for me.
Do you realize if a woman wants a man, she will go all out for him, negatively or positively?
How do you mean, Grandpa?
But I'm thinking, if Otoma enters now to see Chioma cooking for you, jealousy will come in. She will feel betrayed, and the enmity will enter between herself and her friend.
Grandpa, I'm so sorry.
I only want to sharpen your mind towards what is happening. Okay?
Thanks for your words of wisdom. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
told you time without number that all these things you are doing, you don't need it. This is your makeup, make down, make needle, you don't need it. You are beautiful and you know it.
Oh, one name.
Otongwa, you are naturally endowed.
Otongwa, are you going out?
Mbam, have you forgotten that Daniel is coming today? He's coming to see us now. Here he comes.
How? Odogu mote.
Mama.
Welcome, ma. You are welcome, my son. Yeah, you are welcome.
How are you?
Yeah? Okay. Listen, I may not be the best person to talk to you because my father is still alive. But you see, my cousin Otongwa, her happiness is my happiness. Akwena no. Akwena ni family oku.
Shut up your mouth. What is wrong with you? How dare you talk to him like that?
Mama, let's go on.
Yes.
I am only letting him know how important Otongwa is to me. Am I making any mistake in that?
You are making a mistake.
No, you are not making any mistake. Mama, it's okay.
Everyone is trying to protect their family's interest.
I don't have any interest to protect.
Odogu, relax. I know what you want. Alright, take this for your trouble.
Odogu.
Did I tell you that I have any trouble? Huh? Well, I will keep this for your troubles. But you see, my cousin will give you her trouble and worries. I trust her. My cousin is too beautiful to be bribed. Huh? Otongwa. Otong.
Choma! What's the meaning of this?
I will not disturb you.
Hey! Laila! Laila!
What does she have that I don't have? Should I call this bad luck or what? Teach me a lesson this time.
Now I'm all over with them. Huh? Now I'm all over them. Auntie, I have to be going. I have to make something.
Chama! Okay. What happened to you? Why are you naked?
He tried to rape me.
What tried to rape you? What did you just say? Which is you?
He tore my clothes when I was struggling with him in his house.
Which is you?
Yeah,
No, that can't be. No!
It's okay. It's okay. You have cried enough. Eh? See, this crying will not solve it all. Eh? Will not solve it. It's okay. Come, eh? They don't say, oh. As I'm saying this thing, eh? I'm looking at it as if God is trying to tell us something here. Eh? God is trying to speak to us. Eh? We have to look into this matter. Eh? Because the way it is, who would have even believed that Izu will do such a thing? Izu of all people. I myself, I'm confused here. I'm confused.
Nobody wants to believe me. Why? Huh?
No, wait. But tell me. Tell me, why would anybody believe you after seeing Choma in that condition? She was crying, her clothes were all torn, and she was half naked. At the same time, she was coming from your house. No, tell me. It's just, I don't even know why. Leave it.
You are my childhood friend, so you should trust me. I swear by my mother's grave, I didn't. In fact, she was the one that tried to rape me.
If I give you back and slap, she tries to rape you. Eh? No, tell me now. You be 3 years old baby, cry baby, where they want rape. No, look at yourself. Look, see yourself now from head to toe. She tries to rape you in my own house. Talk that thing in 5. Who's you better hot slap? See, bros, no one make I give you better hot slap. Say something else. Okay. See the talk.
Udoka.
Something must kill him, man.
You are here. Something must kill him, man.
Something must kill him, man. I said, let me relax with one bottle and clear off my head. After hearing what Izu did to Choma. Can you imagine?
That is why I'm here. Eh? Udoka. What do you think of your friend Izu?
Izu said he did not rape Choma. Can you imagine? He said he did not rape Choma. That Choma tried to rape him in his own house.
Then what do you think I will answer you if it were me?
In your own house?
Oh yes.
That is a giant stone.
And let me tell you, with Choma, everything is possible without Ukuvenza.
What are you saying? Are you trying to tell me that Izu did not rape Choma? Is that what you're saying?
I know Choma, and I know Izu very well. Eh? Choma forced herself on Izu, cooking for him, when Otongo was not there. She pounds for Izu. Something must kill a man. Something must kill a man.
I'm not aware of this. The only thing I experienced the other day was when Izu was sick. Otongo prepared pepper soup for Izu. Even before she did that, she took permission from his grandfather before preparing the pepper soup.
Okay, let me ask you. If you were Izu dating my cousin Otongo, and her friend has been looking for ways to get to you through your stomach, What will you do? What will you do?
Choma. So you mean Choma has been eyeing Izu all this while?
I don't need to tell you another thing, since you know the answer.
Now I see why Choma ran off to Izu's house the other day when I told her Izu was sick.
Please, where is it? Please get more drinks for Udoka. Udoka, I will spoil you with drinks today.
Something must kill a man.
That is your temper. That is on top of...
Something must kill a man.
Hey, Choma, how are you? Hey, how are you? How is everything? Hey, I hope you are okay.
I'm fine.
Oh, my daughter, how are you feeling? Have you fully recovered from the shock of the rape?
It's just that each time I remember, I just want to curse him.
It's okay. Don't curse him. Don't curse him. His own is even useless already. You don't need to curse him. Hi! This boy is so useless. Hi! My daughter. Chai! Okofukwa. Eh? Ofukwa tampasi no. Uku venza. Eh? That's what you want to spoil for me. He's a madman.
Yes.
God will punish him. Amen. God will punish him in this village.
Amen.
This same boy that everybody sees in this village as a nice person. Eh? This boy is a chameleon. A chonwakobo. Hi! Chineke. Fiakwa. In fact, it will never be well.
Amen.
Stupid idiot. Oh. Oh? Where are you going to? Home. You want to go? Take care of this waste, eh? Hi! Foolish boy.
Mama, I didn't do it.
Please. Mama Sinda. Madopetium, pico. Madopetium. Don't mama me anymore. And don't allow me to be the judge over this because you will not like what I will say to you. Yes!
Utandum. I swear on my mother's grave, I didn't.
Nemo, you people are just making Izu to suffer for what he did not do.
Please just keep quiet. Please, Otamba, keep quiet if you don't have anything reasonable to say here. Don't just interfere if you don't.
Okay. But have you people asked Choma what she went to do at Izu's house? Before claiming she was almost raped by Izu.
What? Are you saying she lied? Wait. Are you saying she lied?
Otongwa, I have 3 simple questions to ask you. Number 1 is, you were not at Izu's house. What did she go there to do? 2, Did she by any means inform you that she was going to see Izu in his house?
Huh?
Are you aware that Chioma forced herself to cook for Izu? Let me tell you. I know Izu here very well. Izu never wanted to tell you because he thought he could handle this as a man. Oh yes. I know Chioma more than you all. Chioma has eyes on Izu. Otongwa, take it or leave it. You better take your man now before someone else takes him away from you under your nose. No bully megi. No bully megi.
Hi. Hi. Is it true?
Yes. Yes, it's true.
Hey.
I didn't want to. I didn't want to cause any trouble between you and Chioma.
Hey, but already she has caused a lot of troubles.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Chioma. I'm sorry I doubted you.
You see? Huh? Take your man, no. Who confess I had to
Oh, Tongue. You're still sweeping. Let's go to the stream, Biko.
Go to the stream. With who? You?
With me now.
You that is a traitor. Chioma, you think I don't know now? I now know the truth. So this is the kind of friend you are. Chioma, I should have known a long time ago. I should have known you were always jealous of me. Always jealous of my relationship with Izu. And you tried to ruin it. You were the one that went to his house to cook for him. Oyama, you went to prepare food for him. You are now his wife, okay? And then you came here to tell my mother and I that it was he, Izu, that tried to rape you. Hey, what kind of friend does not make you if not evil? How could you?
Otonwa, please, just reduce your voice. You
will not hear. I will not reduce my voice. Let the villagers hear me and hear the kind of friend that I have.
Otonwa,
how could you? I said.
I will not do it again.
You wanted to disgrace me. In this village. You wanted to ruin my relationship with Izu out of your jealousy. Now who is the one that is the disgrace? Go on. You are the disgrace. You that was running about the whole village half naked, claiming that a man that does not even want you wanted to rape you. Oh, sweet. Now, before I open it. Try to rape you. Next thing you will say again, my brother wants to rape you as well.
This one not jealousy, jealousy. This one not jealousy, jealousy. You no want to step aside, jealousy. No spoil my melody, jealousy. No spoil my happiness, jealousy. You no want to step aside, jealousy. No spoil my melody, jealousy. No spoil my happiness.
How did they get to know the truth? I thought I could use this opportunity to break both of them. Eh? Instead, I am the one going to win. Hi! Chioma! Chioma, can you come to me? After all that has happened, I want to know what you take my daughter, Otongwa, as. Please tell me.
Mama, the condom is my wife. She's my daughter. In fact, she's my everything. Every man's dream.
Okay. Cello, I want you to understand it very well.
What I am asking is, Kede Ebum no bigi. What are your plans towards my daughter? That is what I want to know.
Mama, I know where you're driving to.
Hey, Zamia.
I will talk to my grandma so that we can prepare and come for my
Hey, Ibianono. It's not that I'm in a hurry to give her out. It's just that her happiness is also my happiness. I hope you know that. My son. Hey, this one is good though.
It's well, Mama.
Thank you. Hi.
Don't talk to me. Don't even try to beg me. I never knew that you are this wicked. You are very wicked.
See, just let me beg Utonwa and her mother. They don't see me as an evil person.
You see? You see your life. Now you want me to go and beg Oto and my auntie. Yeah? You see? Choma is now running around everywhere looking for help. What goes around comes around.
You know, in this situation now, Utonwa will listen to you. Just help me talk to her.
Okay.
I will do anything.
Huh? You said you would do anything.
Anything.
Okay. In that case, huh? Turn around. Turn. I will block this Ukuvenza. Ukuvenza! Huh?
Stop now, that was too much.
Wasn't what you took to the zoo for free before. Now I am demanding it for a favor. Give it to me now, or?
Oh yeah, wait.
Hey! Hold on, yeah. Something must kill a man. But I will not die. Huh? I will not die.
Wait. I will give you. Well, after you must have put someone house there.
Choma, do I look like a chachi? Otamba is not a man.
Oh yeah, wait.
Hold on, man. Wugum.
Oh, you're playing to this sweet, eh?
Huh? Okay. How can you ask me such a useless question? Then you can see bushes and uncompleted buildings everywhere. Let's go there and be happy. Kaiba ni mafia. Okay.
Otamba butobiki. Asina kufesi odala. Igatego adi yoko. Jijile jige folile fo. Jeopardy idea, Messia no gadale.
So, I'll be waiting for you when you finish talking.
Waiting for who?
For you now.
Choma, you see yourself? You see your life? When I told you that your uku were licking their lips, and that's how you woke out of me. You never believed me. I told you that one day you must come to me. This is the day. This is the day of joy.
Are you trying to say you don't have
Why will I be so foolish to fall for your trap? Choma, you want to separate my cousin from his room by flaunting your uku fence on him? Go ahead. Go ahead. But I thank God that I did not die on top of your uku. Let us just call a spade a spade. We are both adults. Choma, I saw a whole lot of goodies from the front and the back. If anything again, I'll look at it. But listen, let me tell you. I can only do what you ask me to do. If you allow me, or rather us, do this, do, time, and time.
Oh, that's why you're a madman! Madman!
You see denying it? I know that I'm mad. I know. You've been saying this right from offset that I am mad.
Hi! It will not be well with you.
You say?
After deceiving me, like sleeping with me,
Point of correction, Choma. We slept with ourselves. Huh? Enjoy. He enjoyed everything. For you to leave my land from a tamper to Ota. Yes, you enjoyed it. Ota? 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 Why will you be calling me yourself instead of a tamper? You enjoyed it. You enjoyed it. I know that. I know that.
Yes, boy. It's not this boy with your generation.
Thank you. Madness left with Chema. Whatever you are mad, I know that. If I do it, continuously.
I want to drive this car. Otego Giacomo. Something must kill a man. Otampa wali awaya. Jome mesinaga. Diko bafutaria. Do shie. Something must kill a man. Ukuvenza. Onya kwamnaru. Something must kill a man. Ukuvenza. Onya kwamnaru.
Grandpa.
Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How did you fare today?
Oh, not bad. How are you, sir?
Yes.
Hope you've eaten. So, I know it's complete, but I nobody can.
No, this is what my father said I should give you.
No, Jara, very small. Okay.
Whatever you can do.
Tell you the truth. As a mother that I am, I will not deceive you. You have done so much for me and my family. Otonwa, my daughter, loves Izu so much. And Izu loves her too. He has even promised to come and see her uncles by the weekend.
It's okay, Mama. No worry. I've heard what you said. I cannot separate them because I want to marry her.
Hi.
The fact is, she loves him too.
Exactly.
The truth is that I really love Otonwa. I cannot change it.
Thank you very much for your understanding, my son.
I have something.
Sure. No. You have done so much for me. My young business, thanks to you, is enough. Daniel, may the good Lord bless you for the one you have done already.
It's okay. I have to go now.
Alright, thank you. Alright. Take care, eh? Alright, bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Alright. Alright. Eat your Mama. Oh.
though. Please. Huh? We are friends.
No, I know we are friends, but you have to do it yourself. I cannot do it for you. You are disturbing my peace. Something will soon vibrate now. Vibrate.
Okay.
Sit down, let's talk. Sit down. Sit down. No, sit down.
Okay.
No. No, sit down. Sit here, there. Sit down there. Sit down. Please, there. And I want to be seeing your face. Just sit down there. Yes. See, you have to carry your clothes yourself. I cannot help you. I cannot beg you for you. You want me to beg you? Yes. You want me to beg you? Yes. It is done. Yeah. But you must do something. What is it again? Don't beg for money again.
See, I will be going to see Thomas people so that we can prepare how to get her marriage rights. Are you serious? I'm serious. And I want you to escort me.
Hey, this is what I want to hear. Now you are now talking like a man. Huh? See, this is what I want you to do. Just marry her and keep her so that she's now yours. Not every time borrowing money. Want to solve your problem. No. Okay, that reminds me. I know you and Oton are still together because of what Choma did to you. But please, I want to beg you. Forgive and forget. Please.
Dog, I've forgiven Choma. I've forgiven her. Just that her conscience is flogging her. I've forgiven Choma.
I know you're very good. I know you're not like one of those boys in the village who doesn't forgive. That's good. But the other day she told me she saw you on the farm road and you wanted to cut her with your machetes.
Me?
What she told me?
Wanted to cut her. I don't have Choma's time. I don't have her time. Her conscience is just flogging her. I was just busy removing palm wine and so. I don't have her time.
Girls, they know how to like very, very easy. And she was telling me, I saw it too. It was still very angry with me. She almost cut me down with her cutlass and machete. I said, okay, don't worry. On your behalf, I'll beg her. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving her. That food she gave you that you refused to eat. She gave it to me too. And I ate it. Which food? But that's she gave me now. No. She raped me.
No wonder.
But I chopped one more. I chopped and clean out. As I stayed on top that thing, bless I did heavy. You know I'm not as good as you are now.
No wonder you're pleased. Forgive me.
But I chopped one more. I chopped and clean out.
I really want to marry with Omo, but I need to put things in order. I need to build my house, buy a car. I need to be rich enough before I can get married.
Yes, my dear. Yeah, sorry for interrupting you. You are Izuchukwu, I guess, right? Oh, okay. My name is Daniel Ekweme. I learned that you are the one, you are the boyfriend to the woman I want to marry.
I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
The person I'm talking about is Utonwa. Listen, mother. There are always two sides to a coin. When the preferable face is not befitting, you have no other choice than to give up. Yes, I want to marry Utonwa, and I want you to leave her for me. Did you get me? I can pay you. I can see. I'm from Godege. I will give you open check. Name your price. Just tell me any amount you want. I will pay you. Go ahead. I'm waiting for you. Omo Chief Akajako. 1. My friend, I'm talking to you and you're walking out on me. Alright. I will show you. Nga agwa na iru mmọnwụ bụ iru mmọnwụ.
How can ordinary stick cause him such injury that is so painful? Please take him inside. Take him inside. I'll go and get some knives. Yes, hold him tight.
Sorry. Sorry. Stop! Sorry, wait, take it. Sorry. It's okay. Zubby, eat your food.
Go on, eat something.
Zubby, eat, huh? Zoo. Eat.
Penny, you wait. Here. Yes, please.
Zoo.
What I am? Again here. Again. Hey. Is she okay?
I went to buy soap and did you miss me? I know you did. That's why you came, didn't you? Oh, babe. Yeah.
What is it? Why are you two looking at us like that? You have not seen two people that love each other very much before. Oh, get up. You see my voice, so Anna. Please be going. Go back. Anna. Have you heard? Hi! You mean you've not heard? About Izu. Hi! What about it?
Izu is dead.
Yeah. Chioma! Let me warn you. If you have nothing sensible to say this afternoon, just disappear right back to your house because I don't have time for rubbish. What do you mean by that? Who is dead? The other day you came at Izu saying he raped you. Today, Putagowa saying that he's dead when he's not dead. Are you wishing him dead? Is that the kind of friend you are? Why will you say he's dead when he's standing right here in front of me?
He's where?
He is here. There is you here.
Utonwa, are you okay? Hey!
You're the one not okay. And to tell you that you're not okay. Never! Never! Go to your house! I don't know the kind of friend you are. Very bad friend. Now you're wishing my man dead. She is very, very possessed. I don't know how I ended up having such a stupid friend. Let's go. That's how she goes about. See what? What you see? That one. This one.
that bed?
Holding it, yes.
Sweeping by itself?
Yes.
Okay. Are you okay? Are you dreaming? That broom was left there by your sister.
No, I saw it in my eyes.
Shut up! Your sister left it there and she was using it to sweep before she left. Can't you see what she left there? You are not having malaria. Get away from here. You know that your sister left here. Is that why you came to me? What is wrong with him? What is it?
Ikenna.
You don't know. What is it doing on the ground?
Ikenna.
Ikenna.
You don't know.
Ikenna. He just came out here and checked out
On the ground. It's just like that. You heard him scream before he slapped. Okay?
Which is what you're talking about? Is it not dead or
You help me.
Izu is dead. Look at him. He's standing right here. Hey, what is Izu now? Look at Izu. We were just here. He was killing me in the air. The next thing he screamed and fell.
Which is who?
Yeah?
Otawa!
Get it off!
If this is a joke, stop it!
Stop it!
Stop it!
Stop what? You people are the ones talking.
If you are talking, stop it! Huh? No! Otawa is also! Otawa is also!
Look at this right here!
Please stop this thing. Hey, stop it now. Izu is dead. Please. Why are you doing this?
Otawa, why have you suddenly turned yourself to a doubting Thomas? I saw Izu's dead body being deposited to the mortuary by his grandfather and Anudoka. He's dead, of course, for Christ's sake.
Careful now, Cody. I don't know what sort of joke this is, but I'm not finding it funny again. You people have stretched it too far. Izu is not dead.
Izu is dead.
Death is a serious matter to joke with, to start with. And Izu is alive. Here with me, looking at you, hearing you say that he's dead. Then Izu is not dead. Or them mad that you will say that even in front of him.
Right way.
Tell them you are not dead. Tell them you are alive. Wait.
I'm alive.
Otawa!
He said he is alive.
Otawa, stop it. Otawa, stop telling me to sembot. I'm tired of running.
He said he is alive.
Otawa!
Is he still here?
Yes. He's here.
Oh, my daughter, he brought you here to show me to someone. I am not surprised you are seeing me. Don't worry. He has always vowed not to be. The food is there.
I'm scared. I don't understand what is going on. Feels like we're dreaming. Everybody says you're dead. My mother, my brother, Otamba, Choma, your friend, my friends. They all think you're dead. At first I thought it was a joke or a prank. But now, I don't know what to think anymore. I'm bothered because you're very much alive and here. Why are you not
I'm here. Come on.
This is how my best starts. Gradually, we enter market. I don't want you
Dan.
Mama, thank you so much.
Eat food, you wait my whole line.
That's a lot of good. Thank you, Mama.
I'm doing this already, so you take it after that food.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hey, Mama, I have a good news. I found the woman I want to marry.
Hey! Dada! The woman you want to marry?
Yes.
Hey! So I'll soon carry grandchildren. Hey, yo! From, hey! Dan! Is a girl from this village?
No, she's from Nigerian village. From Maduka's family.
Maduka's compound?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey. Hey. I know. What is her name?
Her name is Otonwa.
Oh, Otonwa.
Mama, do you know her?
Otonwa from Maduka's compound?
Yes, in Nigerian.
Hi.
Why, Mama?
You know I'm your mother. I had a revelation about you and a certain lady. It was not good. Also, it was not good. Hi.
How else do you want me to explain this for you to understand me? Why are you making this thing so difficult for me? Eh? Because, you know, Izu is dead. Can you imagine that the entire village now believes that you are going crazy? In fact, you are mad. My own daughter. Oh my, this is not fair. This is not good. Why are you doing this to me? Have pity on your mother now. It's not as if both of you are married. You are not even married. Even if you are married, in marriage vows they say, till death do us part. But ya part ba? Ya gaba nkeki. Let him go. You should go. He should pass away with his life. Let you use your own life and do something else. Don't worry, because don't do this to me now. You don't do this to me. Because no. I'm no longer finding this thing for you. I am no longer finding it for you. I don't like it anymore. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, my daughter. I'm begging you. Let's go back this way. Let's go. Everybody saying that my only daughter is going crazy. It's going crazy.
Auntie Chica, this one you came to see my mother. I hope all is well.
You and your mother had something in common. That is why I'm here.
I know.
See, what do you expect?
Auntie, that thing that connects both of you, can you share with me? I want to hear.
It's about that girl you're seeing.
Auntie, don't tell me that you're supporting my mother.
How can I support your mother? I see this in my dreams too.
Thank you.
Dan, there is something about this girl. I'm not saying she's evil, but we need God's intervention in this.
Auntie, it's not about God's intervention. It's about love. I love Otoma, and I want to make her my wife. You people seem not to understand my feeling.
Dan, we understand. It's not about the word wife. It's about your own wife, Dan. So I can carry my own grandchildren now.
Yes!
See, let us seek the face of God.
Otoma is my wife.
Let me get you food. It's like you're very hungry, John.
God comes first, Dan. God first. Dan, listen to me. God comes first. Put this in God's hands and see what comes out of it.
Thank you.
It's okay. You can continue with the prayers. I'll marry Otoma, Mama.
This is not enough to please you, Dan.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, Danny? You see Lily? Somebody. Please be drive with caution, oh.
Don't worry,
Okay.
Tomorrow is my marriage to Daniel. Tomorrow I become his wife. living and the dead have no relationship whatsoever. Stay away from me. Stay far, far away.
Otondum, I told you I will never leave you.
And yet, you did.
all this? What sort of embarrassment is this?
Calm down.
It's okay. Please, I want to be left alone. Leave me now. I said leave me! What is all this?
Evil man. Evil man. Evil man.
No. Ma, I'm getting married to Tonwa straight away. Delay is dangerous. I must not be as rich as Dangote before getting married. No.
The difference is clear. maka ukegbo ibo aruka kwa nwa odala micha ifukwu mmegemo iga dalili nwa mofulu baka oto baby nwa mofulu kobe wewewe oto nwa mona gige bia oto mo oto nwa baby hey ota hey baby mo oto nwa very good very good salomo tibe very good salomo tibe mama very good salomo bebe very good my beautiful baby, mega, stainless baby, mega, ukebo ibo, aruka kwa nwa, odala micha, ifukwu megemo, iga dalili, nwa mofulu baka oto baby, nwa mofulu kobe wewewe, oto nwa mona gige bia otama oh baby otama isabugum baby oh you come isabugum wa baby mo kama na uti baby mo isabugum the difference is clear Solomon and Nebekene Oto baby, mama follow baka. Otonwa, Iberika, na Iberika. Salomo tibe, Iberika. Oto my love, Oto baby, unafuga nutonwa ige bumanu. Unafuga nutonwa ige bumanu. My beautiful baby, mega, stainless baby, mega, ukebo ibo, aruka kwa nwa, odala micha, ifukwu megemo, iga dalili, nwa mofulu baka oto baby, nwa mofulu kobe wewewe, oto nwa mona gige bia otama baby hey ota hey baby mo otama very good salomo tibe very good salomo tibe mama very good salomo bebe very good my beautiful baby, mega, stainless baby, mega, ukebo ibo, aruka kwa nwa, odala micha, ifukwu megemo, iga dalili, nwa Mwamu fulu makao Oto baby Mwamu fulu kobe Oto mwao Mona gige bia Oto mwa Oto mwa Oh baby Oto mwa Isabugum baby Oh yugum Oto Isabugum wa Oto Oh baby mu Oto Ademo kamana uti Oto Oh baby mu Oto Isabugum Oto The difference is clear Solomon and Nebekene Oto baby Mwamu follow baka Oto Iberika Na Iberika Solomon tibe Iberika Oto my love Oto baby Unafuga nutomwa igebu manu Unafuga nutomwa igebu manu Ilebe nuto ye Mege Mege my beautiful baby Mege stainless baby Mega Ukebo ibo Aruka kwa mwa Odala micha Ifuku mege mo Iga dalili Mwamu fulu baka Oto baby Mwamu fulu kobe Oto mwa Mona gige bia Oto mwa Hey baby mu Hey Oto Hey baby mu Oto mwa Iverika Salomo tibe Iverika Salomo tibe Mwaba Iverika Salomo bebe Iverika My beautiful baby Mege stainless baby Mega Ukebo ibo Aruka kwa mwa Odala micha Ifuku mege mo Iga dalili Mwamu fulu baka Oto baby Mwamu fulu kobe Oto mwao Mona gige bia Oto mwa Oh baby Oto mwa Isabugum baby Oh yugum Oto Isabugum wa Oto Oh baby mu Oto Ademo kamana uti Oto Oh baby mu Oto Isabugum The difference is clear Solomon and Nebekene Oto baby Mwamu follow baka Oto Iberika Na Iberika Salomo tibe Iberika Oto my love Oto baby Unafuga nutomwa igebu manu Unafuga nutomwa igebu manu Ilebe nuto ye One more for no baka, Oto baby. One more for look baby. Oto wow, Mona gig beer. Otamo, baby, hey, hey, baby, Otama, you very good, you very good, Salomuti, you very good, Salomuti, you very good, Salomu, baby, you very good. My beautiful baby, mega, stainless baby, mega, ukeboibo, aruka kwa mwa, odala micha, ifuku mega mo, iga dalili, mwamo fulo bakao, oto baby, mwamo fulo kobe, oto mwao, mona gige bia. Otama, oh baby, Otama, it's a woman, baby, oh you come, it's a woman, oh baby, Otama, na uti, oh baby, it's a woman, the difference is clear, Solomon and Nebekene, baby, Mama follow baka, Otama, you very good, now you very good, Salomuti, you very good, Otama, I love you, Otama, baby, Unafuga nutoma, ige bumanu, Unafuga nutoma, ige bumanu. My beautiful baby, mega, stainless baby, mega, ukeboibo, aruka kwa mwa, odala micha, ifuku mega mo, iga dalili, mwamo fulo bakao, oto baby, mwamo fulo kobe, oto mwao, mona gige bia.